You need to hear this if your PC keeps forgetting the date and time. Chances are it's a CMOS battery issue. Let's fix it. First, shut down your computer and unplug it from any power source. Safety first always. Next, open your computer's case. For desktops, unscrew the side panel. For laptops, check the underside or the manual for instructions. Now, find the CMOS battery. It's a small round silver coin cell battery on the motherboard, usually a CR2032. Carefully remove the old battery using your fingernail or a non-metallic tool. Got it? Great. Insert the new CMOS battery in the same orientation. Positive side up. Press it until it clicks into place. Reassemble your computer, plug it back in, and power it on. Almost there. Lastly, reset your BIOS settings. Restart and press the BIOS access key, commonly F2, delete, or EC. Set the correct date and time and tweak any other settings you need. That's it. If you still have issues, check for signs of physical damage like burnt components or bulging capacitors. A new CMOS battery often solves many boot problems. Happy computing!